How does AI improve the safety of stem cell therapy?
The AI application works sequentially to inspect the biological samples and select the cells virtually free of defects, which then become the basis for the therapy.
Is AI-based stem cell research available in India?
Indeed, the implementation of the AI-based technique in stem cell research has become a common practice in numerous research institutes and clinics located in India.
Why choose India for stem cell therapy?
India is among the top countries offering regenerative treatments due to its blend of cutting-edge technology, skilled doctors, strict ethical standards, and reasonably priced care.
How can global Regenex help?
Global Regenex is a combination of resources that helps you select the best clinics in India where AI-supported stem cell therapy is available and take care of all your medical and travel needs from the time you book a consultation until your recovery.